There are times in our life when we set out to seek the Lord's presence. We know where we're going. We're on our pilgrim's path, so to speak. And then all of a sudden, we find ourselves in the midst of unexpected danger. It's in these dim places where danger visits us unexpectedly that I believe the verse of the day has a powerful reminder for us. Let's see what Psalms 121 verse 5 is inviting us to consider. Here's what it says. The Lord is your protector. The Lord is your shade at your right hand.
Well, pull up an ice block and lend an ear.
Babies, so it is December 1st. So yeah, but start Vlogmas, people. Vlogmas, well, the first Vlogmas video is already up from Thursday, so let's not even start there. But for today's vlog, we're gonna be doing a week in my life as a teacher. But yeah, just a week in my life basically. But you know, so I'm a teacher, I go to school same way, so I wanted to put it as teacher because probably most of the time I got to work. But yeah, last night I did this to my hair, as in I just came on the flat twist the front, and then I was going to put on a puff, but I can't find a puff, and I found this one of my sister's hair, so put this on instead. So yes, it is currently 6:47 and right now I'm getting ready to go to work, so I'm gonna finish getting ready right now. I'm wearing pink because it's my sister's birthday week, so this is the top and I have on a pink skirt. Yeah, and yeah, so I'm gonna finish, get ready, and then head out because I tried to leave home at 7, but I think I got run late because I was trying to film something. I was trying to film the video that's uploading today with the intro and the outro. Yeah, so I wanted to upload at 12, so I had to film that, and then while I'm at school or something I have to go try and edit it because the intro is already ready. But what I need to do is to check if it has any copyright to it, so I'm gonna upload it first, check if it has got flag nothing, and then because it flags it probably in about a minute or so, and then delete that, edit the actual video, upload it, so that's when I can get it by 12. So yeah, hope you guys enjoy the vlog by the way, and I love you guys. Bye guys. Hi Shay. We're 20.
Just see those sleigh bells jingling, ring, tingle, tingling, ting. Come on, it's lovely weather for a sleigh ride together with you. Outside the snow is falling and friends are calling you. Come on, it's lovely weather for a sleigh ride together with you.
Christmas. Cha la 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 la. So, what are you giving me for the first second? Come on. Guys, did I not say that something always, like always happen in a Vlogmas? Babe, stop the progress or deter the progress or something. Yeah, tell me why not even the first official vlog for Vlogmas 1 no go up, no done edit on the internet go on. Well, let's not say internet because I wasn't using the Wi-Fi. I was using my phone service. The phone services dropped, so the network dropped. Apparently, like gone in some places I don't even know. Focus, got me upset. Cha. Yeah, so apparently like gone in some places. So like right now the phone now pick up. I had to go way out a door. So I have to go back outside when it done export. I just finish edit it. Because I was trying to finish it for the night. I just finish edit it. I have to go back outside when I'm done. I have to go upload it to the drive. And then I have to have the computer out there. But download it from the drive, upload it. My crash out. My crash out. It's the first vlog. I can't upset already for the first vlog. It can't work. I don't really know it in December yet. I'm gonna start crash out already. Anyways, we're gonna find something to eat. We're going to do a lesson or something. But we have to come and come tell me what I mean. When I say something I always go wrong in December. Yeah, bye. Hi guys. Oh, I look rough. I look tired. I look popped down. Don't mind me. Anyways, it's Tuesday. I haven't spoken to you guys for the whole day. Sad to say. We were supposed to go to Jamaica today to bring down some documents to ministry, but it didn't make any sense to go because the person we were going to wasn't there, so it never made no sense. And then we had so much work doing, so it's like pretty much gonna get to do no vlogging today. But yeah, right now I'm actually try edit the vlog that's supposed to go up on Thursday, as I said today Tuesday, and I kind of want to get the vlog done so that by tomorrow it's already uploaded, because the video is supposed to go live Thursday at 12, so it has to be done so that it can go up. And then I realized that when I'm at school I really don't have the time to do it anyway, so may I try do it. So I'm editing right now, in the editing mode. I don't know guys, but already a struggle. This is what I mean about December. I never can do Vlogmas because the time is never there. The time is just never there between work and church, because right now we're practicing for like cantata stuff. But you're ready. Oh my god, just kidding. But anyways, as I say,
that's how she treats me naturally.
Oh, never mind her. Between church stuff and school stuff and personal stuff, because my yard need to clean, it's a whole thing. That is why me just said that is why I've never been able to do Vlogmas all the way through, because it's a lot. And then trying to get editing and so on, yeah, it's a lot. So yeah, I'm gonna finish edit right now. Battery flash, so I need to change it and charge the other one. So I'll talk to you guys in a few. Hey guys, it is Wednesday and right now I'm about to leave out for work. So yeah, just ready. This is the outfit for today. Wearing some kind of simple-ish. So outfit check. Yeah, I don't know where none of these come from. Like, I'll probably end up getting off of them something here. But yeah, this is the fit for today. So I'm gonna head out now and then we'll see how today goes. I'm hoping that my day is not so busy, but I feel like it's like a busy because you know, anyways, after my crash out last night and all of that, you know, the internet came back, so I hurry up this morning and upload the video and schedule it so you guys can have it. Because I don't want that to happen again this evening, because the Thursday morning the video will go up at 12, so I'm not gonna have that again. Anyways, I'm gonna head out. Bye. Come, let us worship the King. Come, let us worship the King. Jesus the Savior is born, for the Lord will reign. Hi guys, it's Thursday. No man, my bonnet just anyways, it's Thursday. It is currently 11:39 p.m. yeah, and I'm trying to wait until 12 o'clock. Actually, not necessarily, but kind of just don't finish call my sister here. So tomorrow is her birthday, or in a few minutes it will be her birthday, and I was doing her hair. I'm tired because never get much sleep last night. Yes, I'm kind of tired. Then I'm gonna wake up early again tomorrow, because I'm not going to work tomorrow, but I'm going to run some errands and have a chill day. Yeah, so I'm tired. My brain not very good right now, but anyways, yeah, I kind of want, since I'm already up, I want to wait until about 12 o'clock so I can go make a powder. Yeah, a powder. She wonder what show right now. I'm tell her, say, even if 12 o'clock reach and she is sleeping, I'm gonna wake her up and powder. But yeah, here's look. Anyways, I'm going out tomorrow to run some errands. So this is the outfit. Don't mind up there, so but then I keep up this, so my room want clean up there, so I have clothes I need to iron, my sheet, my pillow, them money to go back on my bed, my bag and something. Anyways, this is the outfit for tomorrow. I wear my Crocs. Yeah, so yeah, that's the outfit. This week's vlog was very terrible. I don't know, this week was just not the week for me. I was emotionally not in a good place, so yeah. Happy birthday to me. You put your hand in a deep. Don't waste it. Just taste it. Why? What's your birthday for me? Sure. Thank you. Good morning, guys. So I'm leaving out to go out. I'm gonna run some errands for the most part, but yeah, this is the outfit. Yeah, then kind of, I don't know what time I reach, but when I reach back home, I'm going to be baking my sister's cake, because as I said, today's my sister's birthday. So I go buy, not buy, I go bake, because she don't really like the buy cake them, because she don't like the icing and such, and she kind of like the cake hot. So I want to bake her cake, and I kind of want to bake it like late, like when she reach home, like near when she reach home, so that the minute it gets out of the oven, she's actually going to eat it. So yeah, I'm following her theme of pink today. I'm pinky winky today, because pink is her favorite color, so why not? Guys, I'm at my coma island. Yeah. Guys,
guys, me take off the birthday
before we even
but I have another one to put on, but I can share the videos with my sister.
Yes, please.
But guys, what's up, guys? Present come. I'm gonna look for nothing, but me see.
She see her donut, her favorite donut. Good girl, up in the skin, son. Oh, the little things.
But they know the Brighton. Oh, what color is this?
Orange. That's what I was asking you. What kind you want?
Oh, orange.
Orange.
Oh, wow.
Where you buying?
About Christina.
Cool.
I was trying to decide which color. That's what I'm gonna ask you. Not my fault.
Thank you.
Oh, way. Yeah,
No, match pictures. Let me see if you match pictures.
You know, match it?
Color brighter. No, I'm gonna find
It
that.
almost doing. It can't go on. Yeah. Close by. It's closer than the one we have over there. So you can get in doing for your birthday.
I ain't get it.
Let me buy you a present. I found one away.
There's a note. Am I supposed to read this note?
Yes.
I don't understand. MP3 coming soon.
Oh, but we go to jam about the MP3. So my mom telling us, I go up for Christina. Wait, don't go in there anymore. I go up for Christina and they tell me, say they don't have none. So I say, I got one ask about the MP3. The one of the Chinese lady. A what? So I say, MP3 player. The lady with a cash. I want name so. So the man who did that, then did a cash, say, MP3 player, no know. So anyways, when me move off and they down in line, I look for something else. I realize, hey man, look for the MP3 on the phone and I show them and I say, they young miss, they young bad. None of them don't know what MP3 player be. Me say, I want this man. They make me look old. They literally laugh at them and say, what do you saw?
I got
Anyways, continue.
My cherry gave me a plantain chips for my birthday.
Oh.
And said, next time, she sent the message, next time tell us
They
that
know.
it's your birthday. Guys, my sister, listen, nobody else want to know my sister known because
The gummies, guys. The
I don't
gummies.
like sweeties, that's the only thing. Oh, this is cute. Can I open it?
Yeah.
Yep.
Oh, for you.
Alright.
Who turned off his up?
Me. They nothing they look like it did a bun up, so that's what I'm telling
Just
you.
don't know what time it is.
You may call you.
Remember. Me that hope it fits in the minute. If it fit, can look small.
You see?
It's supposed to fit slither. I mean, hand not fat, so I just yeah, so I'm hand fat. Don't you so you don't have to worry about me.
You see it? I like it.
Feel like I'm gonna buy one here.
And
Yes.
nobody that come fight over here.
And it's Bath and Body Works. Baran, me buy my sister. Baran,
Always, never know fraud.
Baran.
Anyway,
Bath
people,
and Body
I
Works.
will devour the rest of this later. I just saw it. I put plug in my phone and I see it and jump. And she said, I need my camera.
Hey guys, so I'm about to wash my hair. I reach home, pull out the ear and say, well, my sister forced me and say, go pull out the ear and comb it because I might not have the other time for it anyways. So I'm gonna wash it right now. I'm gonna just wash it right now.
The mingle and the jingling feet, that's the jingle bell.
The vlog is here, Mama. Hey, Rita.
Yeah.
Is why she took my buckle, come bud my buckle now. But they give it to you.
I saw it in the bin. And he won't even burn.
Ah, bad. That's all. Chicken. Oh, squeeze. Jerk. Well, mommy and daddy jerking. I'm just videoing, cause why not? Christmas, the snow's coming back. Guys, so I've just finished combing my hair. I'm not even sure what time it is. It's actually not that late. It's 8:57 or 8:58, something like that. And I finished my hair, as I said. I'm gonna just skin it down. I'm just skinning it down big, so it's in 6 big cornrows. I'm tired. I'm really tired, so I'm just not in that mood. But yes, that's gonna be it for the vlog. I really hope there's something good from this vlog, because all I can remember doing is crashing out after Tuesday when I was trying to upload the vlog and realized that the internet started to give trouble already. Like, it was my first vlog and it was giving me trouble, so but it kind of in the time of crashing out, man. This week was just not the week. It was not the week, but we pushed through. We had some sad moments, we had some down moments. We had a lot of down moments for this week, but we pushed through. We're here, and hopefully for the rest of December we're gonna get even better. So with that said, I want to say thank you guys for sticking with me throughout this vlog. Hope you guys enjoy. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. This week's question is gonna be, what's your favorite Christmas tradition? Yeah, what's your favorite Christmas tradition? Yeah, and I want you to drop the secret emoji down below, which is gonna be praying hands, because we need prayer right now. I need a prayer, so praying hands. That's gonna be our secret emoji. Alright guys, see you in the next vlog.
Yourself, a merry little Christmas.